Welcome to the Birthplace of Restoration Ecology, where the science was officially coined a century ago. The University of Wisconsin Arboretum. That makes Madisonians, and especially UW-Madison students, super proud. But this time of year, the Arboretum is extra beautiful because the gardens are in full bloom too. And they are absolutely gorgeous. Breathtaking. See, look. Look! The fresh spring green, covered only by flower petals like you'll see few other places. Next to pristine Wisconsin nature, and inside the beautiful city of Madison. So come here with a date, come here with the kids. They'll want to show you all the colors, all the smells, all the flowers that give Wisconsin its spring smell. Inside and outside the gardens. But the blossoms aren't here forever, for spring is fleeting. 1,000 acres of this, 100 years of history, but not much longer than just 1 week to enjoy the flowers. So don't miss them.